The Bailey has had from its beginning live productions, music, and entertainment of all sorts, and has maintained that through the last 115 years.
The Bailey Theatre itself first opened in 1911, and it has been renovated and reopened in 2011.
When we first started with the Bailey Theatre Society, we were with one of the Canadian banks just down the back alley. But when we went to get the mortgage, we did not find the support we needed there and looked to the credit union.
When I think about the role of the credit union in our history, I feel like they were brave to take us on. Together we have this common goal of let's support each other, let's make this happen. And I think we're living proof of their faith.
Vision Credit Union began as a way for rural Albertans to help each other. 21 people came together with $178 with the idea that they could work together and create a financial institute that would benefit them all. Camera Savings and Credit Union was created by the employees of Rosehaven. At that time, they felt that they weren't being served the way they wanted to be by the financial institute. So they came together, created the credit union. From there it expanded on, and they hired their manager, Jared Oldekamp, and the credit union then expanded beyond Rosehaven and opened up to rural Alberta. Terry Kelly became the general manager of Camera Savings and Credit Union in 1979. He had been working for Jared Oldekamp as a manager. When Terry took over as general manager, he wanted to expand the credit union beyond Camrose and that we could provide value to other communities out there that didn't have financial institutes at the time.
When we first came out to Camrose, it was fast-moving. We were implementing a business style conducive to financial success and building the strength of the credit union. It just grew from there. The big change for us came with the introduction of the common shares, where we started to gain an advantage over and above our other competitors.
In 1983, the credit union started allocating common shares back to the members. The credit union gained strength. The more that people dealt with us, the more we're able to pay them back through profit share, and where we've got to today, where we gave them back $35 million this year.
It's a great organization, a credit union. It backs the people. We have the profit share program that we give back to our members all the time, and that I'm very proud to explain that to people.
Member-owned organizations have expectations of great service. I think we've been able to deliver that, and we've always lived up to the promise with our merger partners. This past year, we've given nearly $250,000 back to communities for capital projects that wouldn't be funded in any other fashion. And that's important to members, and that's what's separating us from the bigger financial institutions.
Part of our strategy is to engage with communities the way that they want to be engaged with, so we think it's very important that each branch has autonomy to put volunteer hours and dollars to certain areas in the community. So as a credit union, we like to support our communities, but as we've grown, we've been able to expand our operations across the province. So supporting things like the Stollery and Stars Air Ambulance, we feel that impacts our 37,000 members a little more effectively. Our Helping Hands grant actually started in 2022. It's to help non-profit, non-registered charities with capital investments. The purpose of the Helping Hands grant is to ensure that we're supporting communities in ways that have real impacts for those communities.
Meals on Wheels provides meals to about 55 older adults in our community, which is the equivalent of about 900 meals per month. The Helping Hands grant that we received was instrumental in having us build this kitchen that we were able to use for the Meals on Wheels and for the community kitchen space. Having a service that's available that provides meals in their home or participating in a community kitchen addresses that need, and addressing all those needs allows people to remain in their homes and to age well in community.
The Helping Hand grant spirit is rooted in what a traditional credit union does for its community. And we can't forget why our members came to us in the first place, and that's because we do make local decisions and we do help local people. So it just shows that we truly have roots in each community that we operate in.